New video off the coast of Virginia shows the latest launch from NASA. This one happening just last night, sending supplies to the International Space Station. But when that spacecraft leaves the ISS, NASA engineers right here in Northeast Ohio, they're going to intentionally start a fire inside it.
I know, it sounds weird, right? But there's a reason. News 5's Clay Lepard explains.
Over the years, Cleveland has seen its fair share of dumpster fires.
This is not a celebration!
Some on the field, and others actual dumpster fires. But this one, sparked right here at Cleveland's NASA Glenn Research Center, may be the most useful.
The experiments begun were in the first experiment phase.
NASA allowed News 5 to sit in on their simulation of their latest Sapphire mission, an experiment testing how a fire can spread in space.
It's very hard to light a fire when there are people around in a small space. We've been able to do fire testing in every kind of inhabited structure, be it buildings, planes, trains, cars, mines, submarines, you name it. We've done full-scale fire testing, but we hadn't done any testing of that type in spacecraft because there are always people present.
Engines start and liftoff.
It all happens inside an uncrewed spacecraft called Cygnus that sends supplies and this box to the International Space Station.
This is the largest thing you can transport in that spacecraft.
Once the spacecraft fills up with trash and then leaves, that's when the fire starts inside the box.
This sample will light on the edge, and so we'll have flames on both sides.
Earlier experiments give us a glimpse at how fire spreads in low gravity.
In a low-gravity spacecraft, they tend to burn more slowly, but detecting the fire is more challenging because the smoke doesn't all go into a known location.
A project overseen in Ohio, this is the 6th experiment in a series, with each one getting progressively more challenging and testing the boundaries of what can happen. Over the years, NASA has seen how fire and smoke can come into play, which is why they're working to learn more about how to prevent it. Back in 1967, 3 astronauts aboard Apollo 1 died during a launch rehearsal test here on Earth when a fire quickly spread through their module.
And that was a very small space with a very hazardous circumstance. Smoke inhalation kills most of the people in terrestrial fires.
Sapphire 6 is set to be the last in its series, but then hopefully, Dr. Urban says, the moon is next.
We hope to do some experiments on the lunar surface on a much smaller scale. So that's the next real big goal for us.
Liftoff of the Atlas V rocket with Cygnus.
Fire helps take humans to space and the moon, leaving a signature across the sky. Sapphire hopes to explain how a flame flows and grows beyond what we know.
Every time we change the geometry, we get surprised by the flame. It's never quite what we thought it was going to be.
Clay Lepard, News 5.